Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video we will be learning how to disable music in Real Racing 3. If you want to turn off sound effect or music in Real Racing 3, follow these steps. Launch open the Real Racing 3 application from your mobile device and from the home page, tap on the gear button at the bottom left corner. Now click on the gear button one more time in this submenu. This will take you to this page. Simply go ahead and turn off the effects volume and the music volume by simply choosing 0 by dragging the slider towards the left. Once you see this 0 option under effects volume and music volume, you will be able to turn off the volume or music from your game. You can now enjoy a quieter race or play your own music in the background if you prefer while playing the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.